10 best ways on how to save money on food. In this video, you will learn some great tips on how to save money when buying food. Saving money equals making money. This channel is all about saving and making money. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon and select all. So, when I upload a new video, you will be notified. Please also like, comment, and share this video to help all your family and friends. Sharing is caring. Okay. Let's get back into the video and discover some great tips on how to save money when buying food. Money saving tips. As you may be aware, food costs are soaring. Because of newer biofuels, corn, high ordinary fuel costs, shipping costs, and different occasions beyond our reach. For some individuals, the food financial plan is turning into the most costly piece of the family living expenses. These tips are made to assist those who would rather not experience these costs so they can place their cash into additional useful areas, and is in no specific order. Contingent upon where you reside, utilizing all or only a couple of the tips here ought to assist you with setting aside cash, considerably as a rule. In other words, when you combine all these tips, you will surprise yourself on how much money you can actually save. Make a list. At the point when you are looking for food, you genuinely should make a shopping list. This will assist you with trying not to purchase things that you needn't bother with. The greatest expense of shopping is quite often the surprising additional items that you don't actually require. Making a smart list of items assists you with acknowledging exactly how much food you are purchasing. You wouldn't believe how much junk you can remove. Here's a tip you may not have heard or go, say what? Stop using recipes, if possible. Wait, what? Yes. Stop cooking from recipes. Unless your confidence and total lack of knowledge is lacking in the kitchen. However, assuming you push yourself to explore different avenues regarding food, you can go through every one of the pieces left over in the cooler and cabinets that could somehow or another simply stay there and ruin. Assuming you attempt to exhaust your cabinets between shopping, you will save a fortune. At times, you will find that you can skip an entire 7-day stretch of shopping. At the point when you are attempting to set aside cash, you need to surrender the possibility of extravagant dinners consistently. The main issue the vast majority will have is how much time and temperature to prepare a feast. Many individuals will get hung up on or risk burning dinner and need to call the local group of firefighters. Half cooking a feast and giving an E. coli infection to those who eat your food. So on the off chance that you're not a decent cook, then skip this tip. Likewise, when you use recipes, you might purchase something that you will just utilize once. Or the store may not have an item you need. Consider the gas or electricity you use to get to the store. Great tip, shop on the web. At the point when I shop online with a list, my grocery bill is more than divided. Grocery stores are planned by experts who know how to persuade you to purchase things you don't need. Each thing is set so that it will allure you. The stores have become amazingly great at this. You as a rule set aside such a lot of money that the little conveyance expense charged by some web-based shopping stores merits paying. Follow what it is on your shopping list. That's it. The next tip, make a center menu. It is wise to make a center menu for the week, a core menu that doesn't change from one multi-week to another. This might incorporate things like hot dogs and pounded potato, broiled chicken, Caesar salad, and so on. Make sure it's healthy and wholesome. Eating just junk food is a recipe for disastrous health consequences down the road. That equals up to one giant expense that no one wants to pay. By adding 5 ordinary feasts, you have some control over the expense of your shopping, and over the long haul. You can learn ways of getting alternate routes and set aside more money. Moreover, one enormous sack of potatoes can be spent in about 14 days rather than a portion of a pack sitting around getting spoiled. Utilize your additional 2 days to add a unique dinner, something that changes consistently so you don't get exhausted with your feasts. Next tip, keep extras. Grocery stores tend to bundle things in odd numbers. For example, bunches of 3 steaks when you just need 2. This can actually benefit you. Purchase the 3-pack, cook everything, and save 1 piece for lunch the following day. This is valid for all extras. They can either be warmed and eaten the following day, frozen for some time in the future, or reused in another dinner. Leftover chicken from a dish can be transformed into a good chicken soup, extra cooked meat can be ground, minced, and made into a pie filling, and the list is perpetual. Purchase in bulk. Bulk purchasing is quite often less expensive than purchasing little partitions. Mass shopping ought to be saved for the things that you use routinely and in huge amounts. Cooking without any preparation or scratch cooking is one of the most amazing cash-saving tips in shopping. The simple way to force yourself to do this is to make cookies or bread from scratch. Pre-bundled and pre-prepared dinners are costly. This is valid for cuts of meat too. Chicken with the skin and bones are not as expensive as those that are without. For the 2 minutes of work you save while purchasing pre-cut meat, it is not really worth following through on an exceptional cost. Cooking from scratch won't just save you money, however, it will likewise make you better, as your food won't contain cancer-causing additives, chemicals, preservatives, and synthetic substances. Likewise, you can regularly prepare a feast without any preparation simultaneously as it takes to open an intensity of pre-made dinner. Purchase store brands. Besides the fact that store brands are often less expensive merchandise, yet frequently they contain exactly the same food as a name brand. Purchasing nearby produce will continuously be less expensive than shipped products. In addition, it's best to buy food when it's in season. Use coupons. Coupons are a magnificent cash-saving tip. A few shops sell merchandise at cost or not as much at cost. The point of this is to bring clients into the store. You will be astounded at how much cash you can save. Be that as it may, be caution, very much like mass purchasing, don't buy things you don't require in light of the fact that they are so economical. You are not setting aside any cash when you purchase something you needn't bother with. That's the problem when I get them. Many times I can't because these products are things I don't ever use or need. So these are my tips on how to save money when buying food. Saving money is making money. Thank you for watching this video. In appreciation to your attention, I've added this quick bonus section. Please watch it all the way through. If you like what you saw, please sign up for this free training. The link is in the description. We'll see you on the inside.
This is what's called 10 racks, as they say in the hood. That's $10,000 right here. And this is the amount of money I make every single day online. Now, how to make money online? It's a huge question. It's a huge question. It's the goal of like everybody on the planet. How can you use a computer to make money? How can you use a computer to make money? Because if you can make money on the internet, you can live anywhere you want to be. You can do anything you want to do. You can work anytime you want to work with your time. Now, every day I wake up and I have a choice to make. I have a lot of choices. I can do anything I want with my time because my business is completely automated. My business allows me to make $10,000 every single day. And I'm actually going to show you in this training that I'm holding this week exactly how you can build your own online business, how you can actually copy and paste a business with that's already proven, like a franchise owner. Don't be an entrepreneur. Do not be an entrepreneur. Be a franchise owner. You can model something that's already proven and you can use it to make lots of money online. Here, let me show you. Let me show you. So here, come over here. So this is my computer over here, and this here, let me show you. This is the amount of money I make. This is one of my accounts, and this is the amount of money I make every single day. $3,473 I've made just so far today. That's just so far today. Here, come here, come here. $6,252. Here's what I've made so far this month, okay? Here's what I've made so far this month. Current sales, that's $299,000. It's about $10,000 every single day. Look at what I made last month. Last month, $339,579.49. Now, on this free training that I'm going to show you, I'm actually going to be giving this away. All this money here, I'm actually going to be giving it away to you. To those of you that are on this training and who are engaged, I'm going to be giving this away because I want people to understand what it is like, that this is possible. But what you have to do, here, come back here, is you have to understand how the system works. You have to understand, we've been taught to use our hands. We've been taught to work for companies. We've been taught to work for hourly wages or monthly salaries like chattel slaves. We've been conditioned through the education system. Don't ask questions, stay your role, wait your turn. They've conditioned us through a governmentally controlled education system to stick in our place and work a job which will never afford us the ability to make serious money and live a life of freedom. The computer democratizes everything. This is your chance to make money and make a lot of it. This is your chance to make serious cash. Now, if you sign up for this training, when you sign up for this training, I will be giving away, I'll be explaining to you how I am giving away this money, and I will be showing you how you can get it, okay? I'm also going to be showing you how you can make this sort of money every single day without having a prior existing audience, without having to invest lots of your own money, without having to spend a lot of your time, without having to buy products and start an e-commerce or an Amazon FBA or drop shipping or Shopify business, without having to do sales calls every day, and without having to deal with all of the hassles, just using a computer to earn you money. That's all you need. All you need is a laptop or desktop computer to earn you money, and that's what I'm going to show you in this training. So sign up. There should be a link somewhere around this video, and I'm going to show you how to make the Benjamins, how to make friends with some of these guys, make time for money. I'm going to show you the way, and it's really exciting on the other side. So let's get it. I'll see you on the training.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please smash that like button. Please share this video with everyone you know. Hit the share buttons down below. Leave a nice comment down there and say hi. Tell us where you're from. Last but certainly not least, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications by clicking that little bell icon so you know when we put up a new video, like that. You are awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, guys.